Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, founder of Workflow Magic, a PlatinumMonday.com partner. Today, we're diving into a brand new feature in Monday that's been a long time coming: Cross-Project Dependencies. If you've ever managed complex project timelines across multiple boards, you know how hard it is to keep everything aligned. This new feature finally gives us a way to link tasks between different projects and track their relationships visually in the Gantt chart. So, how does it work? You'll see a new dependency column in your boards. Now, this is only available on the enterprise subscription. You can link a task in one project to a task in another project, then view the connection inside the Gantt chart. This is huge for teams managing portfolios or cross-functional projects. You'll see a visual indicator showing which task is dependent on which, even if they live in separate boards. But here's the catch. As of now, this feature is view only. That means while you can see the dependency, you can't yet automatically shift dates based off of those dependencies. So if task A in project 1 is delayed, task B in project 2 won't automatically adjust. But here's the workaround we solved for a client. We created a custom workaround using a dependency duration column, a hidden back-end date column, and automations to calculate and shift the dates on the dependent task in another board. So when the main task completion date changes, the automation calculates the new date using the dependency duration and pushes that update to the connected item in the second board. It's a clever workaround that mimics native dependency logic across projects. This gives teams a lot more visibility and control, especially when managing timelines that span departments or work streams. And while we expect Monday to expand this feature further, you can already start using it today and pair with automations to get real results. Need help setting this up for your team? Book a free discovery call with me below, and let's build a cross-project workflow that keeps your timelines aligned.